So as we know that we are having a major international brands in India about the group sets and bicycles. So we first have a look at on the various brands on bicycle group sets. So as you know that Shimano is a very popular brand in India and across the globe. And Shimano is very popular because it manufactures almost all the components from group set, perhaps except the bicycle frame and the fork. It manufactures every other component, and it also has a big presence across globe from basic entry to high-end and professional range of components. And perhaps it's so popular that it's one of the widely um, manufactured fake components also in the world, because as you know that the more popularity also has won this side and is one of the leading components in the market, and it has about 80 plus markets 80% plus market share. And then we look at about Mishi is primarily a brand which is most focused on the track bikes and mostly has on the high-end brands, high-end range of components, especially in the road bike range. And then we have Campagnola, and everybody knows this by the fantastic name as Campy, and is very popular in the racing space, especially in the road bikes. And then we have SRAM. SRAM is very popular and it has entire range of components, including the group sets, electronic drivetrain, and also various other associate components. And then we look about FSA. You may not have seen much this brand on bicycles because they manufacture typically very high-end products, mostly on the Dura-Ace range or electronic shifting range. And then we look at about the Microshift. Microshift is a very popular brand which is manufacturing basic to high-end components, and it used to be in the market for more than 30 plus years, and now it's more popular because you could see many brands coming up with Microshift components. And then we have Sunrise. Sunrise is also a manufacturer which makes components across the range and is widely popular. And then we have LTVoo and Sensa, which are pretty new on the block, and they manufacture primarily mid-range to high-end components, and it's very popular. And they may typically focus on MTB and road bikes, Sensa particularly being on the road bike components. And then we have Sunrun. Sunrun used to be a brand which is in the market for last 30 to 40 years. And initially they used to make entry-level components. Now they started focusing on entry to high-end components. So you could see that over the period, manufacturers has come up the curve and started to bring out new products and innovations. And then we have Linxiang, which is commonly known as Jia, and they make entry to high-end components. And this component is predominantly popular in Far East Asia. And then you might have seen Saigon, which is very popular in India, especially in the basic bicycle components. And then you can see Shimeng. Shimeng is also a component which is widely popular. And Shimeng is not a manufacturer, it's a brand. The rest all are manufacturers which make their own components in their own factory with their own technology, with their own patents and various other R&D sections. And then we look at the S-Ride. S-Ride is basically a component from Foshan Plastics. And as you know that Foshan Plastics makes the world's leading reflectors, matching the international standards, and is one of the only manufacturer which meets ISO standards. And probably all of your bicycles may be featuring the S-Ride components for reflectors, which is commonly known as satellite. Now we have seen a high-level view of various components brands. Now we will also see the various websites of these components. You could explore this website and learn more. As you know that all Shimano and SRAM are a conglomerate, and they manufacture various other components in their own brand name and associate brand names. For example, Fulcrum, RockShox all are part of SRAM, and similarly Laser is part of Shimano, and similarly Vision is part of FSA. And these are the group sets for Mishi, I mean the website for Mishi, Sunrise, LTVoo, Sunrun, and Sensa, and Jia, and Sega. Shimeng do not have a website. As I mentioned, it's not a manufacturer, but it's more of a brand. You can explore these websites so that you can get familiar with the group set and various ranges of components and various series and various compatibility.